Hey folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins signs the speed of the processing to make this much easier. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with in-scope menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.